awesome people, welcome to my channel guys, Adam Burwell. For this video, we'll be unboxing and reviewing YAKU Pro Collagen Peptides. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. By the way, I have disinfected all of these guys, okay? All of the PR packages because both these came, from overseas. Oh wow, look at this. You know what? I'm actually specifically excited to try these because I know these are all anti-aging products, and as you can see, I'm like almost 40 years old already, so we need all the help that we can get from science and, well, technology, Let's see what this is. This is a Japanese brand. Oh, I love the packaging. Look at that. This is the YAKU Pro Collagen Peptides Daily Renewal Cream. It looks like this. It's 30 grams, and that packaging really looks expensive. And it has all the indications at the back, the directions how to use it, and also the the ingredients. Advanced anti-aging, it says. So yeah, we need it. I need that. All right, the other one. So they only sent like 2 products, but of course I'm still appreciative of it. All right, I'm just going to open it right now. Bubble wrapped. Oh my god, I can even smell it right now. It smells like vanilla, actually. You know that sweet scent of vanilla? That's what I'm getting right now. This is like reminiscent of like the first ever PR package that I received from, I don't know if it's sort of like, how do you say it? If it's okay to mention another brand while opening this PR packages from the different companies. Anyway, yeah. There. This is the YAKU Pro Collagen Peptides Daily Renewal Serum Advanced Anti-Aging. 30 ml.
Several days later.
So this is the YAKU Daily Renewal Serum, guys. I usually put this every morning after cleansing. My first observation upon using it is that the packaging looks really, really expensive. It's really, really nice. It's made of glass, so you have to be very careful because it's obviously, breakable, all right? So you have all the indications, the name of the product at the front, and what it is it for, and also at the back you have the ingredients and how, and also the directions on how to use it, including the expiration date. And I'm going to let you see it. I'm going to pull out some of the product. It's very, very concentrated actually. I'm going to put it on my skin. And it absorbs like really, really quickly. Now, the initial thought though, it has like a really, really sweet sort of vanilla scent to it. And upon using it each and every time, I have come to maybe liked it, although at first I didn't really, love it, because sometimes I would love my skincare products to not have any scent at all. However, with YAKU's Daily Renewal Serum though, it will also like give you like not really an instant lift, but over time upon using it, the sagginess and also the wrinkles on your face will be minimized, including I have like a consistent eye bag here on my right eye. If I'm gonna put it actually from over time, like maybe such a long time or a couple of days, it should be able to somehow minimize the appearance of it, because of course it's collagen. It will bring back the elasticity, like sort of the tightness of your skin. It will lift it up. And also, what another thing that I love about this is that it has like whitening benefits. So it sort of helps you, especially if you have like dark spots on your face or maybe scars. It will eventually help fade them out. So yeah, it looks like this. And the smell, sometimes I love it, sometimes I don't. So yeah, that maybe, that is just me. And since it is a product from, of course, from Japan, we all know they're very, very consistently good on their skincare, among other things, right? So yeah, this is the YAKU Daily Renewal Serum. As I mentioned earlier, usually I put this every morning after cleansing. So this is the YAKU Daily Renewal Cream. Of course, it still contains a high grade of collagen peptides. And I must say though, this could be one of my holy grails in anti-aging. This cream is just extremely effective. I usually put this like before nighttime. It's the last step on my nighttime skincare routine. It has actually the same scent with the serum, so it still has like a sweet vanilla scent to it. However, if you look at the packaging, this looks like more expensive than the serum. It's still made of glass, so still very careful in handling this, guys. And when you open it, it still has like a cover there, right? And still the same benefits, but it is just on a cream, what do you call this, in a cream form, not on the serum form, right? And let's try this. Okay, you just put like a little amount and it will go a long way, I tell you. So let's try this on my skin so that you'll be able to see. It will absorb really, really quickly. And it moisturizes. It has like all the really, really good benefits, especially for me that I'm almost on my 40s. As you can see, I have consumed quite a bit already. I have been using this for, I think, almost 2 weeks, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, the vanilla, the sweet scent, I can even smell it. I'm just like a foot away from the product. So if you're someone like me who needs a little bit of an anti-aging properties, a little bit of hydrating, and overall needs to have the skin maybe youthful back, like rewind maybe 5 or up to 10 years, I would definitely recommend YAKU's Pro Collagen Peptides Japan. All the information on how to get these products will be in the description box or maybe in the pinned comment as well. And also I would like to thank YAKU Japan for giving me an opportunity to try this amazing anti-aging products. I guess, guys, what their banner or what they are really boastful about this is that this is advanced anti-aging, and I've just used this for maybe almost 2 weeks, or a little bit over a week, and I definitely see the results already. So I guess it will just depend on how each and every person's skin type would react to this, but definitely I would recommend this, especially to someone like me who is close to 40s already. All right, thank you so much for watching.